Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of the magnificent beaches of Praia do Espelho in Brazil. Before we get started, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and don't forget to write a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Praia do Espelho, also known as the Mirror Beach, is located on the southern coast of Bahia, Brazil. This hidden gem is known for its crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and the stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. This place is perfect for anyone looking for an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
So let's put on our walking shoes and explore the wonders of Praia do Espelho together. Our first stop on this tour is the main beach of Praia do Espelho. This beach is one of the most beautiful in Brazil, with its clear turquoise waters, white sand, and coconut palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. As we walk along the beach, you'll be mesmerized by the serene beauty of the surroundings. You can take a dip in the calm waters, soak up the sun, or simply relax under the shade of a coconut tree. Our next destination is the nearby beach of Curuai. This beach is a little less crowded and perfect for those who want to enjoy some peace and quiet. The crystal clear waters of Curuai are ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or paddleboarding. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of the tour was, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel content. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!